Hey, it's Bey, and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the JBL Party Box 100. I wasn't originally planning on purchasing this speaker. It was, more of an impulse buy. I saw it at the corner of my eye, saw that it was on sale, and I snagged it. To be honest, it was worth it, but now I'm $300 more poor. You pretty much just get the speaker, the cable for charging, and some paperwork. It supposedly has a 12-hour battery life, but I don't really know at what loudness the volume has to be to get the 12 hours. You can connect up to 2 of these speakers, so I'm definitely going to grab another one in the distant future. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth or aux, play music through a USB drive, and you can even connect a microphone/guitar with the included inputs. I accidentally dropped the speaker while unboxing it, which was pretty funny. Oh well. It actually sounds really good, especially for the price. If I had to choose between the JBL Extreme 2 or the JBL Party Box 100, I'd go for the Party Box 100 for the extra $50, and that's exactly what I did. There are 2 different bass boost modes and there is no distortion throughout the whole volume range. It gets pretty loud and can definitely fill up a whole house with music with no problem. I love the sound quality you get for the price, especially the bass. This speaker definitely won't disappoint you if you're looking for bass. If you can find one of these speakers on sale, I say definitely go for it. It may not be as portable as some other speakers, but the sound it produces makes it worth it. I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing this speaker. Make sure to click on it because it'll help my channel out a lot. You know what's up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.